Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a change of name in Pi Network. First, open your Pi Network app and tap the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then, select Profile from the options. Here, you will see your current name. Look for the Name Change Request option, which is usually found near your name details. This is where we begin the process. Once you find the Name Change section, you'll need to carefully enter your new desired name. Make sure it matches your official identification exactly. You'll also be asked to provide a brief reason for the change. This helps the Pi Core team understand your request. Double-check all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy before moving to the next step. After submitting your request, the Pi Core team will likely require verification. This usually involves providing official identification, such as a passport or driver's license, to confirm your identity and the requested name change. Follow the specific instructions within the app for uploading these documents securely. Be patient, as the review process can take a few days or even longer. Once your name change request is approved, you will receive a notification within the Pi Network app. It's important to check your profile to ensure your new name is correctly reflected. If you encounter any issues or have questions during this process, you can always reach out to Pi Network support for assistance. Congratulations on successfully updating your name.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.